Hello everyone, I'm Amrendra Kumar. I'm back with some new editor features that you can use to write your code quickly. So first tool first trick that I will show you is Alt and Space. So Alt and Space key are used to select things vertically. I will give you an example. Let's say I have this notepad plus plus open for me where I have a function where I pass the students as parameter. But the problem is that the students is an array and I cannot assign it the value to the students directly. So I have to assign it to the first student. So what I have to do, I have to write this 0 everywhere for all the students. But writing is this 0, let's say if there are multiple students, it will take some time. So what you can do, so there is a trick. You can press Alt and Shift and then press down arrow. It will select everything vertically. And then you can write whatever you want and it will write to all the lines like 0 dot, and you can add anything whatever you want after that. So first student. In the similar way, you can delete items from that as well. Let's say I have to delete this first student from all the lines. This is a 5 lines code, so it is easy, but sometimes the situation is like when you write the code multiple times and it will be really difficult to go to each and every line and make changes. Let's say now if I have to remove the first students, it will be like a 1 minute job to delete the first two student or change the spelling of first two student. Let's say by mistake I wrote the first, instead of first student I wrote typo, which is third student or first student, first student. So that might create a problem and it will take some time. So, but if you will use Alt and Shift, it will do your things quickly. So now let's see how it is. So this is Notepad Plus. You can use the same feature on another editors as well. Let's say I open SQL Server. So let's say I have select star from start tables. Oh, I selected the result to file, I think. Was SQL editor. Result to create. Okay, I will remove this toolbar. So let's say sister tables. I got couple of tables, but what I have to do? I got this table names, but what I have to do is I have to select star from these tables. So what I will do is select Alt, Shift and down arrow, and then right select star from this table, or rather than select count one from table name, I will get the count of all the table. So this table, there is some problem with the query, but my motive is to show you the editor feature. The other feature that I will explain you is the regular expression. So in SQL editor, SQL Server Management Studio, let's say I have select the start from users where user ID in, I have multiple user IDs. This, yeah. and I have to put comma everywhere. So one way is to do Alt and Shift and do this like that. Another option, but what if there are 1,000 rows or 2,000 rows? So if you will do Alt Shift at the end, you won't be able to see whatever there at the top. So at the time of selection, it will be sometimes difficult to select multiple lines. To do that, what we can do here is we can use another tool. So what we can do is Control Shift H, and it will open a find and replace window where I can choose regular expression like /n for new line and replace it with comma. And then I will select this checkbox. This checkbox is very important, use regular expression. So now it will return all the new lines and convert it and put a comma at instead of new line. So let's write this. See, I got another comma because I removed the older comma before. So here you can see that each line will have a new separate comma as well. So these are the editor tricks that you can quickly use it, and it will improve the way you will change the query, or you will write code. You will quickly change the code, or it will make changes easy. Also, there are some other tools like let's say from select you have to go to next space, so you can use control and right arrow. It will go to the next place. Instead of putting 1 arrow, you will go to 1 by 1 character, but if you will use control plus right arrow, it will take you the next word. See, so these are the editor tricks that I use most frequently, and trust me, it will improve the timing that you write the code, and you can change the code really fast. This is all for today. Please like and subscribe this video. Uh, I will bring new ideas, new videos for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.